Here's some reality about my Forex fund, guys. Hello, how you doing, guys? Your simple and honest guy over here, Williams, and hope you're doing all right. Please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell. Each time I release a video, just you'll be watching the first, and then take note and benefit of what is going to be presented inside the video. So with that out of the way, I don't want to make this video long, to be honest with you. I just want to go through what I gone through and past week with my Forex fund. You may notice like I don't sound right right away, so you can kind of guess what has happened. Well, if I go to my account over here, so let's see. So it says, well, notification, daily loss limit by equity. Obviously, the way they calculate the daily drawdown got me again, similar to trader C challenges, hit me, and then they suspended my account. Well, they suspended the live account. So if I go here, yeah, it says suspended. Yeah, suspended. So in one day I managed to make 1,500, almost 1,600, but then following day, I don't know how they calculate the drawdown, but I do remember. So I'm honest guy, so I do remember at some point my drawdown for following day reached 2,700. So based on that, I would say, okay, that's fair enough for this one. I'm suspended, fine. So next time I have to again be really mindful to not exceed my lot sizes, because to be honest with you, the following, so this happened second day. So first day I made 1,600, and then second day, so I said let me do increase the lot size so I can do some stuff for my day-to-day life, because I was like just spending time trading. So that got me obviously and hit me hard, and then I got suspended because the lot size I opened all over was like 11 lot size. So 1.1 lot per trade. I had 10 trades open, so that was like 11 lot sizes. So that was too much. Yeah, otherwise I was doing nice, honestly. Anyway, that was that. But what I learned, guys, so they saying they're not gonna if I go to accelerated, so right after evaluation done, let me see what they have. They say they don't have any issue, they're not gonna restrict you or stuff like this. But what I found in the live, so because once you pass, they're gonna give you they kind of live account. So even over here, I don't have the screenshot for that one, but even over here in one occasion, so I had, let's say I had a few trades, like 5 or 6 trades at some point. I don't know if it was the first day or second day, but suddenly one of the trades just closed without having a stop loss or anything, because me, I don't have usually stop loss. Mainly I don't use a stop loss, but they closed it. They closed it down. But I don't have a screenshot, showing that for you off of the live for evaluation 50,001. But I do have a screenshot for following, which is accelerated. So right after that happened, I said, oh, I'm not going to be bothered for passing another evaluation, which takes at least 1 month to be in live, and then another month to generate something. So that's gonna be 2 months. For that, I said I'm gonna go ahead and then get accelerated. So with accelerated again, they say you don't need to be worried about any challenge or stuff. Right away you'll be in a live account. You're gonna pay some fee for their for their program, and then there are some issues over here. I'm gonna go to it, but the fees for that was like for conventional, which is a cheaper one versus empathic. So I paid 100 and then got the 2001, and then they get you with no daily drawdown, but obviously there is daily drawdown calculated overall for you if you singly, because they say okay, the cap rate would be 5%, and there is So this is not true. This is not true. So as soon as you hit 5%, you're violated the third term, and then you're out. And just say bye-bye to your whatever money you spent invested anyway. So if I go to here to evaluation and rule, I got the screenshot later and I will show you. So they're gonna scale that this does. So here, trade your own pace, earn at your own pace. We will not push you to earn. This is not true, guys. This is not true. I will show you. They have no lot size limit, they say, but in reality, you're limited to your lot size because you're not gonna, exceed your drawdown. Because imagine, so if I was gonna, take 2 lot size per, trade, that's it. 5% of 2,000 is 100, and then I be out, and no consistency rules. No drawdown rules. This is not right as well, guys. This is not right because, again, imagine if you trade for 1 week, they're gonna see, okay, what was the maximum drawdown you went. If it was 5%, you're done. So imagine, this is not true anyway. And for so far, I don't know about the no profit target because I haven't made actual profit from the live accelerated one as well. But then we will see what is what. So they say they're not gonna restrict you for their for your trading and stuff. First of all, right away, 5% is just so hard, guys. So hard. I try to trade like 0.05, 0.03. Imagine on $2,000 account, trying to stay in the 5% drawdown limit while trying to make profit, which is super hard. Me and probably yourself trying to be profitable using super small lot size is just a headache. It's nightmare. But then I just want to do it. I try to do it, and then actually smash their rules and whatever they have to say, because obviously they kind of suspended my account anyway. The other evaluation leaded to live account of mine. So right away I got this one. So I'm trying to double it and quadruple it and stuff like this going forward. But then okay, over here, well, they say this, but then I'm gonna show you these trades. So one was, I think the first night I started trading is CHF JPY 0.1. As you see, I have no stop loss, even no stop loss over there. But then they closed it down. So you see accelerators. Obviously I'm gonna just blur where the account number is. That's live. So that's the first one. I think that's the first one. They just closed it itself even without the stop loss, guys. So remember, this one is Great British Cat as well. This my stop loss, you see where stop loss is 1.71560. So my stop loss is way higher than that, way wider than that. So it's not even close that. And this is 5 minutes time frame. But then they close it down because I don't know how they close it down. It's not them. Obviously they have an algorithm. They programmed it that way to close it down. And at some point went to profit anyway. That's that one. Let's go to let me go to yes. And then obviously, as I said to you, I have done a lot of trades, small lot sizes, so I ended up having tons of trades. So 2 other trades were USD JPY and Great British Pound CHF. I clearly remember that Great British Pound CHF like it was now, because I'm gonna show you. So stop losses are over there, 114.174, 125.016, and this is that accelerated again. That's it. You see, guys, Great British Pound CHF. You see, guys. So my stop loss was 250, wasn't it? If I'm right about that one. Anyway, my stop loss is edge of this kind of red area, which is stop loss using trading view. So you see is way above all these end of the candles below it. So it's below that, but then at some point I want to profit. You see, in green area. I could close it down, but I couldn't. I mean, I tried to close it down, I couldn't. And then all of a sudden I didn't see anything. That's it. This position was, you know, closed down by itself in negative. I mean, in $4, you know, loss. That's evidence, guys. That's that evidence I was talking about. And let me see if there's more. You see, that day I ended up with. It's funny. Like, I just hate small lot size and, you know, profits. 1160. Let me see what else I have. So saying at some point one day or yesterday, I don't know, I was in 2130 plus kind of floating profit, and that was yesterday. At some point I was in 23 plus 72 plus as my floating. Yeah, that's it, guys. So yeah, they do close your trades right after, let's say, 10 p.m. in my time. So that's what I found, guys. That's a reality I found. So don't trust what they say. They do really, you know, do manipulate things in their accelerator and live. For me, they have done it so far. Okay, their support is honestly horrible. You have to wait hours to get through someone, and then they try to, you know, just you know, give you whatever they have as articles saying, oh, let's say I have issue with this one. They just throw you a piece of article, piece of, you know, written, pre-made, saying you just have to, you know, just help yourself understanding it. They're not really great in that term as well, so I don't like their support. But I just want to stick with them and then kind of, you know, go through, if I say, just battle whatever they have as their term and, you know, condition, you know, battle their accelerator again, soon again do another evaluation. I will try to go for 100 because 100 gives you 5,000 you know, drawdown. Again, the way they calculate drawdown is like based on what is you know, higher, either balance or equity for that moment, and then it will be time of it, a few times of it, and then they calculate that way. It's not fixed again. This the same issue I had with Trader C, so that happened to me. Again, I'm talking about my own experience, guys. I don't know how you're gonna take it or how other people, you know, explains it, but then explain it and you know, they take it. But I do believe, and then I do go through what I've been through again. So guys, if you try to do my Forex fund, just bear in mind, if you do accelerated, you know, accessing live account, be prepared for, you know, manipulations like this. That's real and it happened, guys. So they suspended my 50,000 live account, which I passed right after, you know, actually I gained right after passing the 50,000 evaluation challenge. So I made again 1,600 almost first day, and then second day I exceeded my lot sizes. So that was kind of, you know, fair to get to digest the suspended my account because I violated the funny drawdown. This funny drawdown, that's what I do help. I had my own, let's say, big account of my own, so I wouldn't really be worried about the drawdown, because that damn drawdown is just a funny thing they have in place in terms of their risk management. Because the thing was, guys, right after they did that, so I checked all my trades were open before they suspended, and right after they suspended my account just, you know, got, you know, suspended, and all the position were closed. That's why I ended up with 49,000 instead of, you know, having much more, couple of thousand profit you know, added to it after that drawdown issue. So I wish I had it. I had my own money with my own term, and then I had a couple of thousand more on that day. Anyway, so that's the issue with them. Be aware if you wanted to go with the accelerated. And to be honest with you, overall accelerated doesn't, you know, it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. They say, okay, leverage this, that. This is just horrible. 5% is nothing. So they force you for 5% you know, drawdown, and then make 10%, which is gonna take ages, guys. Look how many trades I ended up doing. I have to scalp, guys. That's the only way. The only way beating these guys is scalping, guys. I'm telling you. If you leave it to swing, it's so risky. If you try to do day trading, it's risky. But the riskiest is swing, then less risky is day trading. But then the best type of trading, beating all these challenges, especially these guys, is scalping. Scalping rip them apart, and then just you're gonna get what you aiming to get. Getting funding and actually getting getting paid. That's the issue. So I got funded, but did I get paid? No. That's the issue, guys. So make sure you do consider scalping. And yeah, they say this and that, but then reality is they say only 3% of traders just get paid. So that's just horrible. Just think about it, guys. They do all they can to you not get paid. Simple as that, guys. I don't know how else I can explain this. That's reality, guys. So especially with these accelerated, I just noticed that it's just so kind of if I say ridiculous sort of program and algorithm they have right after around 10 to 11 p.m. UK time, they just close all my trades down, regardless of being in negative or positive. Yeah. They just do it. And then to be honest, I wasn't bothered to be again waiting for hours to get through them, and then they just give me the same crap they just do, like sending me some article saying, oh, that's it, so you're gonna be helping yourself and then you're gonna be happy, and then give us 5-star review or stuff like this. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just honest guy. I just go through things, find them out. But again, with me going forward, I still have the 2000 account. Obviously it's 9,980 now. So that's the funniest thing. I get $20 up, and then I lose $10, and then I try to make $5 and then lose $4. Just horrible. Trying to stick to the rule they have, and then making small gain because the drawdown is forcing you to be in for 2000. But again, it's they say it's live account, and every week you're gonna get paid whatever you make, 50% of whatever you make. That's it. So guys, just that, guys. So be aware, that's what they do, and that's what they done to me, so you wouldn't be victim, if I call victim. So with that said, guys, if you wanted to learn more about trading, guys, I just right away so just refer you to actually, if I call the best and amazing spot online to provide you the best type of mentorship and tools, all you need for your trading. These guys trade with seed, and the website actually called TWS courses. So standing for tradewithseedcourses.com, and then where you can find tons of products for you to help and boost your skills up for your trading, day-to-day trading, or swing trading, or scalping, whatever your kind of style would be. So they have binary option mastery as well. So if you're still interested in binary option as well, they're gonna help you for that as well. And mentorship program number 3, mentorship program number 1, and rainmaker indicator. That's for binary option signal. So it sends you signals so you can place your bet accordingly. Mentorship program 2, gold run indicator. And they have all these great stuff. So let me go and then maybe show this one. That's what I use myself, and then see what they have. Let me click on something to see if I can open. Go to dashboard, and well, I think because it's new one, I have to enroll again. If I have completed, yes, because they kind of remade the website and everything, so I have to enroll again and then go through them. Yeah, guys, so I will do that in next video, maybe, if I show what is inside. Obviously I cannot show what is inside. I just go through. Obviously I do say I don't need to go through them, I mean, because I cannot just show what is inside. I just you know, make it appear over here what you could expect. So course content, tips on undefined human patterns quickly, how to monetize human memories, magic, diagonals, and how to be profitable using it, identifying institutional traps and how to beat them up. This is really important, guys. This is really important. That's where a lot of, you know, fake breakouts occur, and then you're gonna be careful. Otherwise, your stop loss, your final stop loss, gonna get hit. That's why I don't have stop loss really. I just hate the stop loss, guys. Simple way to find best take profit levels. 3 golden rules of setting the stop loss. Yeah, so into the mindset of pro traders, the art of maintaining. Imagine this is the number 2, so previous version, and less comprehensive versus, I said comprehensive. By the time he didn't have, oh, this is number 3. So by the time he didn't have this number 3 one, so what I did, I went through number 2. So number 2 is this one. So I went through this one, guys. I went through this one. Let me see if I know. Yeah, I have to do the same again, guys. So complete knowledge of candlesticks, my secret system, doing wonders with trend lines, summing up all strategies together, mindset, how to trade against the trend. Yeah, they have tons of stuff over here, and you see the one of their own website review saying best course ever I've seen. I didn't complete it fully. I'm doing it, but guys, everyone should try this course. Highly recommended. So this is not just me impressing. What they get out of these guys is, this is just some guy somewhere, and then share their experience using and going through the mentorship got from Sirhan. So if you want to access the same stuff, same mentorship, same tools for your binary and you know, normal trading, I mean normal trading like Forex and commodities and stuff, link would be in the description. Check it out, and then see the power of their program and their mentorship and their tools yourself by your own eyes, and then see what's the simplicity you know, this mentorship of Satan bring you, and you'll be really, you know, amazed by the result, guys. So with that said, guys, also be careful about my Forex one. If you were gonna deal with any live accounts, whether you pass your challenge of evaluation and then you're in live day live, which is funny because they have control. It's not like separate live account. You just do whatever you do without any manipulation. Manipulation is over there. I showed you the trades manipulated by their broker, because obviously it's not my Forex bonds. It's the broker they dealing with, which is 1 minute. So if I go here, I'm going to tell you what broker is. Trader group something. 1 minute. Oh, Traders Global Group, which it says located in Ontario, Canada, but I don't believe it. Anyway, it doesn't matter where they're located, but what matters, they do manipulate. So be careful. To me is nighttime, so I learned my lesson. I'm not gonna let any trade that long. So the best thing to reap their, you know, funds is scalping, and bear that in mind, and then go forward and then just, you know, smash it, guys. So with that said, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, activate the bell. I will see you next one. Have a nice time. Bye.